Hello everybody, welcome back. So we have a mulch bed here, just starting to lose its color. The mulch is still good, but we want some of that red color back. This is originally red mulch. So instead of adding new mulch, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to dye the mulch. So I picked this up off Amazon. It's one of their recommended ones. Red mulch colorant, deep burgundy color, treats up to 2,800 square feet. And what I read in some of the reviews is to mix this up with some warm water. So it says to mix 2 to 5 ounces per gallon. So we have a little pump sprayer, a gallon of warm water in there. Let's see what this stuff does. Shake it up a little bit. I will be wearing gloves for this just because I don't want to get this stuff all over me. Let's see. Mulch works. Yeah, see. We're gonna very scientifically measure out 2 to 5 ounces. I think we should be good there. It does say on the instructions that you could do multiple coats. Just wait for the previous coat to dry. Let's lock this up. Mix this up a bit. Let's see what it does. Let's see if I can adjust here a little bit. So it's definitely coloring the mulch. It's also clogging the tip quite a bit. Let's try opening it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. It's more orange than burgundy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe add some more dye to the tank, finish off this mulch bed, and we'll come back with the results. So this is what we're looking like so far. We'll see maybe when it dries, the color's gonna darken up a little bit. I added some more dye to the tank. It didn't really make it any darker. So we'll see what the dry product looks like. So we're back. And after letting it dry for a little bit, these are our results. Now I have about 100 square feet of mulch bed here. 1 gallon, I was able to do 2 coats, and the color turned out more like I wanted it to. I was worried in the beginning it looked a little bit orange. As you can see now, it's a nice red color. And I think that, you know, if your mulch is still good, just a little faded, giving it some color, it's a nice, easy fix. Couple things I would say though is this stuff, definitely be careful about how you're spraying and what you're spraying on, because it does stain. See, I tried to wash off the sprayer. I still can't get some of this stuff off. A little drop on the concrete from the wand. But overall, I think the results speak for themselves. A few minutes with the sprayer, a lot easier than lugging around new bags of mulch. I'm putting this all down by hand. Alright guys, thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and take care.